be noisy, but welcome back everybody, Frank's Way. Right, KX250, we're done with that one. I'll take the camera and do a few shots now, move around the bike a bit so that you can see it. And the next project will be the Moto Guzzi. That is coming within the next week. Very eager to start that one. It's been standing for quite a while. We're doing a few changes. You'll see the banner has been changed a bit. Always trying to improve, but I'll do another video quickly about the Africa Twin as well. There's big plans for the Africa Twin, and then we'll do something about the electric bike that's coming in next year. But yeah, for now, KX250, this is what the video is about. You'll see what it looks like on the screen when we received it. It was really in a bad and sorry state. Been standing for quite a while. Majority of the work was the engine. There was a lot of work done on the suspension previously by the previous owner. We did the sticker kit. We did a complete rebuild of the engine, and we spared no expense on the engine. Everything has been done. But yeah, I guess it will find a new home. And there's a few things coming up in the near future on the KTM as well. There are some additions coming, but that is going to be another video for another time. I'll keep you posted on the KX250. We'll do a bit of a video when it starts, how it runs. I'll be going out with my son with the RM, so we'll go and enjoy them. But if you like the background, if you like what we're doing, like and subscribe, share the videos, we really appreciate it. But interact with us, and let's grow it, and next year has a lot of things coming. More on that a little bit later, but for now, bye bye everybody.